Planning a move in Concord, New Hampshire? Whether you're relocating locally or across the state, choosing the right moving company is key. In this video, we'll cover top tips to make your move smooth and stress-free. Start by researching moving companies that serve Concord. Look for local expertise. Movers familiar with Concord's neighborhoods can help navigate traffic and parking rules efficiently. Not all movers offer the same services. Check if they provide packing, storage, or specialty item handling, like pianos or antiques. Make sure they match your specific needs. Customer feedback is invaluable. Read online reviews to gauge reliability, punctuality, and professionalism. Consistent positive reviews often signal a trustworthy mover. Request quotes from multiple movers in Concord. Be clear about the move's details: size, distance, special requirements, so quotes are accurate and comparable. Popular movers get booked quickly, especially during peak moving seasons. Schedule your move early to secure your preferred date and avoid last-minute stress. If you're moving in Concord, New Hampshire, taking these steps will help you find trusted movers who fit your needs. Start your move right and make it hassle-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more moving tips and guides.